there are two kinds of VoIP that are commonly talked about. There's premise-based VoIP and also a hosted VoIP solution. What we offer at Momentum is the hosted solution, and kind of some of the key comparison points. When you talk about a premise solution, really what that is going to entail is you having to buy a lot of complex equipment, take that equipment, install the equipment. Typically it involves a lot of outsourced vendors that have to come in and try and install all of this gear. When we come into a situation, we talk much more about our hosted communication solution. So instead of having to shift the burden to you to have to buy and maintain and manage and update all of that complex equipment, we do that, right? We're really those communication experts. We have all of that in our cloud, in our network, and we constantly manage, monitor, and maintain all of that for you. And then we just put out, great, very sophisticated IP handsets that are really easy to use, provide the highest level of voice quality, can provide video as well, and deliver it all in one very concise package. So at the end of the day, it completely eliminates that complex closet of a mess of wires and complexity that nobody really understands. It gives you a whole host of features that are easily controlled from your web portal, from your mobile phone, so that really no matter where you are, our hosted solution is going to be able to ensure seamless delivery of communications. And another great thing about the solution when you compare prem to hosted, if something would happen, right, where you couldn't get to the office or there was some kind of regional disaster, our hosted solution, since it's in the network and not dependent on your physical location, from a disaster recovery scenario, it's just vastly superior to anything that you can do with a premise-based solution. We do provide SIP trunking so that if you want to manage and maintain that PBX, we can provide a lot of advanced features to make that premise-based PBX a lot better with our solution, so we can work in complement to that. And I think one other key point, really what hosted is all about, the rate of innovation is just amazing right now. And we're constantly incorporating new technologies, new features, new functionality into our network. So when you're with Momentum, we're going to continuously be future-proofing our network, always trying to deliver the best of the best. And that's really our goal at the company, and why we look forward to really helping small and medium businesses just do more with less, spending less money on the upfront, and just getting an extreme return on investment for every dollar that you spend with Momentum, and supporting you 100% along the way.